catfished on Instagram. I did.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay subscribed and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and today we are recreating this look by none other than the gorgeous Jayda Cheaves. You guys know that I already have a look on my channel called My Signature Glam, or the Jayda Wayda Glam as I would like to call it, because our go-to glam is practically the same. So Jayda is currently in Paris for Fashion Week, and I saw this super gorgeous Euphoria inspired look on her stories, and I knew automatically I was gonna have to recreate it. I didn't want to wait because the look is hot now. And you know, I'm just ask y'all to ignore the lace because baby, a replacement closure is on the way. I literally just slapped this on my head because I wanted to get this look as close to Jayda as possible. So yes, y'all was catfished on Instagram. I did edit this, so we just gonna ignore it, okay? All right. If you guys want to see how I recreated this Jayda Cheaves Euphoria inspired soft glam look, please keep watching.
Starting off with skin, I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm using that to prime my face. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Tinted Serum True Match Foundation. I know I said that backwards, but I have a whole video on this foundation. This foundation is the shiz naive. Like, ooh, I'm just looking at my skin while I was editing this video like, damn, like this foundation is everything. So to contour, I am using the Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the shade Katsina. When Challen was doing Jayda's makeup on live one day, she did this really nice trick where she like angled her brush, and ever since I've seen her do that, I've also been like, you know, doing my contour that way as well. And then to blend my contour with the foundation, I'm just using that foundation brush. For concealer, y'all already know it's the oldie but goodie, my Morphe Fluidity Concealer in the shade C445, and I am just blending that out. Now, I did go back over my concealer with a little brighter one, and that was the Overachiever Concealer by Huda Beauty in the shade Peanut Butter, because y'all know Jayda love her a good bright under eye. And then to contour my nose, I'm using the Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick in the shade Black Walnut. I had to think about it. So yeah, as I told you guys, I was going to be going back in with more concealer just to brighten up my under eye even more, and this is that Huda Beauty concealer that I was speaking about. By the way, all the products that I'm using are going to be listed down below just in case you guys are wondering. To set my concealer, I'm using the RCMA No Color Setting Powder. That powder is everything. And then today I bought out an oldie but goodie. Y'all haven't seen the Sacha Buttercup powder on my channel in so long, but I had to bring her back out because y'all know she is mad. So to warm up my face, I am using the Black Radiance True Color palette in the shade Deep Dark. And then for my nose, I actually used the medium dark, and I mixed the contour in the bronzer shade. I believe that's what the two darker colors are called in the palette. But yeah, I used that to warm up my skin. And I feel like I skipped over something. Oh, I can't remember the night I showed y'all my blush, but for my blush, I used another discontinued product. I'm sorry. Just use like a terracotta or like an oranges blush to get this look, but I used my Morphe Warmth palette, and yeah, that was what I used for my blush. And then for my all over setting powder, another oldie but goodie, the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Deep. Now for my brows, y'all already know how I feel about the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. Who the hell is Knit? NYX did their big one with this brow pen. If you want nice, natural, fluffy to bushy look brow, y'all need this pen. It's everything. I absolutely love it. So, ciao. After I tackled these brows, we jump into this eyeshadow look. I'm so sorry. The palette that I use is also discontinued, but if you have a bunch of neutral shadows or a palette that has neutral shadows, like the Master Mattes by Makeup by Mario. I believe that's what that palette is called. You could probably create this same look using that palette as well. But I'm using my favorite palette ever, and it is the Morphe Oh Boy palette. As you guys see, I'm building up that inner corner and the outer corner. Y'all know Jayda typically keeps her looks very neutral, very simple. I love that about her because that is my go-to look. But I wanted to build a crease up, so I'm using the shades Carter and Chris to build the creases up. And then for that mobile lid shadow, I'm using the shade Timmy. So if those of you guys out there do have the Morphe Oh Boy palette, those are the shades that I use to create this look. Now, as far as the technique that I use to kind of create this cut crease, I prefer to use shadow versus concealer because the concealer cut crease can get really harsh, like really harsh. So yeah, blending everything back together. This is why, yeah, sorry y'all. So this is where it's about to get tricky. Y'all can actually skip this gel liner part because this gel liner was giving me hell, mainly because mine was old. But anywho, so I used the LA Girl gel liner. They discontinued the color that I like. They need to bring it back, so I ended up having to fix it with concealer, which is what you guys are seeing me use right now. But you guys are going to see me later on in the video. You guys are gonna want to use a darker shade to cover up the eyeliner. So that's what I did. I used the shade Volcano from the Morphe Bronze Babe palette. And what you guys just saw me do was prep my lashes with the Maybelline Sky High mascara. Now I'm using the Clio official eyeliner. Y'all already know I have a video on this as well. Absolutely love that liner. And then I blended out with the shade Carter from the Morphe Oh Boy palette. So yeah. As far as the bottom mascara goes, I'm using the Dare Real Mascara by Benefit. You guys already know my trick for mascara is to get the small size ones. Those really get your lashes really good. Now for the headache and the star of this show, I got these rhinestones from Joann's this morning. As soon as I knew that I wanted to recreate this look, I hopped up and I went to purchase these. Baby, if you're going to recreate this look or use any gemstones, period, do that before you put your lashes and your mascara on, because I was fighting for my life with this mascara and those lashes, trying to get these rhinestones to stick. It was a whole headache and a half. But nonetheless, we got through it. I think that the look turned out really good. Like, I was shook as the look was building, like, damn, like I really did it. It looked so good. So yeah, you know, I might start doing a little bit more creative looks. To finish off my brows, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow Tint Gel, and that is in the shade Black Brown or Brown Black, however it was worded. It's them two colors. For my lip liner, you already know I love my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner, and because Jayda loves her pink gloss, child, I'm using my Sephora Collection Baby Doll Gloss. I believe that they do still have this. All the products that I use will be listed down below. Obviously, they're going to be affiliate links, so if you love me, you want to support the channel, definitely make sure you check out the links down below. They are going to be listed in the order in which I use them to complete the look. And then I'm just throwing these little sloppy braids in to complete the look, just like Jayda wore in Paris. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys, for the talk through. I hope that you all enjoyed this look.
And that is it for the final look. I do want to apologize if the lighting was shifting throughout this video. I'm trying to film in direct sunlight and the sun is just moving all around. So I do want to apologize for that. But like I said, this is the completed look. I think that I did a pretty good job. I'm actually not upset at these jewels. Y'all know I keep it real simple. So whenever I'm inspired to recreate a look, that's really my time to step outside the box and to shine. So shout out to the lovely MUA that created this look on Jayda. I believe her name is Lindsay Paris. I'm gonna leave her information down below in the description box as well if you guys want to check her out. So yeah, that is it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I wanted to film it for you guys really quick today, and yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.